how to log into your Bybit account on new device. Here, the very first thing you want to do is simply get your Bybit application through your App Store or Play Store and install the application. Once you've done that, you will get into this particular page where you can simply tap on the option login now on the very bottom, and when you tap on it, you'll be able to get into the login page where first of all you can add in your email address. Then when you tap on next, you'll be able to add in the password and log into your account. You can either use your phone number too if you want to. You can tap on the mobile number right here and then add in the mobile number and get along with that too, right? But here, if you have used any of those platforms like your Google ID, Apple ID, or your Telegram ID, then you can tap on let me know to log into your account. Or if you do have your passkey, then you can tap on the login with passkey option right here, and you'll be able to simply enter your passkey and log into your Bybit account on a new device like that. So yeah, that's all you need to do. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below.